standard for marking positive and negative paired low-voltage direct current wiring is known as the polarity standard. Typically, the positive wire is marked with a red or black color, or with a ridged surface. The negative wire is typically marked with a black or blue color, or with a smooth surface. In some cases, the wires may have additional markings. A striped wire often indicates the positive wire. A ribbed wire often indicates the negative wire. Other markings may include letters such as P for positive and N for negative, or symbols such as plus and. The polarity standard may vary depending on the application or manufacturer, so it is always recommended to consult the manufacturer's documentation or industry guidelines to ensure proper identification and connection. To elaborate further on the color coding, red is almost universally recognized as the positive terminal in direct current circuits. This convention is deeply ingrained in electrical practice to minimize the risk of reversed polarity connections, which can lead to equipment malfunction or damage. Black is commonly used for the negative terminal or the neutral conductor in alternating current systems. The consistent use of black for negative helps maintain clarity and reduces the likelihood of errors during wiring. Blue is sometimes used for the negative terminal, particularly in applications where black might be confused with other wiring. Blue provides a distinct visual cue to differentiate it from positive conductors. The surface texture of wires, such as ridges or smoothness, serves as a tactile indicator of polarity. This is especially useful in situations where color visibility is limited or for individuals with color vision deficiencies. A ridged surface is often designated to represent the positive wire, allowing for easy identification by touch. Conversely, a smooth surface typically indicates the negative wire, providing a contrasting tactile feedback. In addition to color and texture, various other markings may be employed to denote polarity. Striped wires frequently indicate the positive conductor. This stripe acts as an additional visual cue, particularly when the base color of the wire might not be distinctly red. Letters, such as P and N, are sometimes printed on the wire insulation to explicitly label the positive and negative conductors. This is particularly helpful in complex wiring scenarios where multiple wires are bundled together. Symbols, like plus and, are also used to mark the positive and negative terminals directly on the wire or connector. These symbols provide a clear and unambiguous indication of polarity. It is crucial to note that the specific polarity marking conventions can vary depending on the application and the manufacturer. For example, in automotive wiring, different color codes might be used compared to those in consumer electronics. Therefore, it is always recommended to consult the manufacturer's documentation or relevant industry guidelines to ensure accurate identification and connection. Ignoring polarity can lead to severe consequences, including equipment damage, circuit malfunction, or even safety hazards. Therefore, always double-check the markings and follow established wiring practices. Firstly, incorrect polarity can cause electronic devices to malfunction or be damaged. Electronic components are designed to operate with specific voltage polarities, and reversing the polarity can cause them to fail. Secondly, reversed polarity can lead to short circuits and overheating. This can create a fire hazard and damage the wiring. Thirdly, in sensitive electronic circuits, incorrect polarity can lead to inaccurate readings or measurements. This can affect the performance of the circuit and compromise its reliability. Finally, in applications involving batteries, reversed polarity can cause the battery to explode or leak corrosive chemicals. This can pose a serious safety risk. To ensure proper polarity identification, it is important to follow a few best practices. Firstly, always consult the manufacturer's documentation or industry standards to determine the correct polarity markings for the specific application. Secondly, use a multimeter to verify the polarity of the wires before making any connections. Thirdly, use wire labels or tags to clearly mark the positive and negative conductors. Fourthly, double-check all connections before energizing the circuit. Fifthly, if you are unsure about the polarity of a wire, it is always best to err on the side of caution and seek assistance from a qualified electrician. By following these guidelines, you can ensure safe and reliable electrical connections.